you have green eyes? And are you confident that you're choosing the best eyeshadow colors for those beautiful green eyes? We're gonna make sure that you do. You know that only 2% of the population has green eyes? That surprised me. That's kind of cool. You are a rarity, my beautiful one. All right, so how you choose your best eyeshadows is you, of course, look to the color wheel. We're gonna find the green on the color wheel, and let's start with what shades of eyeshadow would look the most harmonious, the most natural for that natural look. And in order to do that, we're gonna stick close to the green on the color wheel. So pull from the colors of your eyes. Look closely, see what colors are in your eyes, and pull out those colors to help you find the most natural and harmonious look. Obviously choose from greens, possibly warm yellower greens, maybe bluer, cooler greens, depending on whether you're warm or cooler in your skin tone and your eye color. So here are your greens. Let's go through them. So the top here we have our cooler greens: Pine and Envy, Seafoam. Now here you have Celery, which is a muted green. Keep that in the back of your mind. If you want to have your cosmetic colors analyzed, consulted, let me know. We can talk about that. That's your muted green. And here is Limeade, which is your bright green. So if you're a bright or if you're a muted, and then a warm green. Olive is your warm green, and then Emerald is your liner for everyone with green eyes. When you look closely at your eyes, you're also going to see, in addition to the green, you're probably going to see some gold flecks in there, maybe some blue-green, and that's where you pull in those bluer tone, cooler tone greens from a moment ago. But let's look at, here's your green eye, let's look at some gold colors that are going to help along that more natural, harmonious look. Okay, especially if you look on the color wheel, you will see that next to green, we have those warmer greens, and they turn into golds right there. You have your lighter highlighter colors or lid colors: Pashmina, Champagne Ice, and then you have, say, Celestial and Fawn and Golden Taupe. I bet you see those colors in your eyes. Can't you just see that pulling your eye colors out and making them just look gorgeous and harmonious with your entire look? Back to the color wheel. Did you miss it? So now we're going to go for that contrast look, that pop that we say. And you're going to go in the color wheel again, and you're going to go to the opposite of green, which is the red and the red violets and the blue violets, right? Now, red, not so much in an eyeshadow, but your deep burgundies and your red plums, that's what we're talking about. And anything in there, sort of your light pinks, your roses. Let's look at them now. These are your reds, the opposite of the color wheel. So here's your green eyes, but can you see the contrast, the pop? So we've got your burgundy wine and princess and misty and peekaboo. And here are your violets. Should you lean towards cooler, on the cooler skin tone and eye tone spectrum, pull from these. We've got your muted lilac, you've got dream, and your bright groove and grape. And now we've got your fuchsias and your purples. We've got mystery, red plum, and port. Okay, there you have it. For a further eye color consult, reach out to me and we will get that set up for you.